Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is ASX Dividend Investor and this is my very first YouTube video. Just before I get into all the details, this channel is going to be all about dividend stocks, specifically ASX stocks, and yeah, I've been looking forward to starting this journey for a long time and can't wait to start making more videos for the future. If you're as passionate about passive income as I am, I'd really appreciate it if anyone could hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. But also don't forget to click the notification bell to never miss out on future videos. So as it stands today, my portfolio holdings stands at $6,388.36. And today is the 15th, so it's a Monday. The market closed at 4 o'clock. But today we are down $24.92. Just to the right here, my dividend income is $154.74. I expect in annual dividends, and I'll go into more detail shortly. Alright, so looking more into my dividend income. Yes, so it gives an annual dividend of $154.74, and then it gets broken down, which is pretty cool. So I get $12.89 monthly and 42 cents daily. Do not pay too much attention to this yield at the moment because it's also accounting for Pilbara Minerals, which is more heavily invested into this, but unfortunately they don't pay dividends at the moment as it's been postponed. But you can also, the cool thing about this is stock events, by the way, if you're interested. So you get to look at what your expected dividend income is for the remainder of the year, and it keeps track of all the income you've earned. So in June I received a dividend from Plateau Income Maximizer, ticker symbol PL8, $3.85, and I'm also expecting another payment from them this month. So I'm going to go into the details. So Plateau Income Maximizer, ticker symbol PL8, is an investment management firm. I currently hold 700 shares of this stock with an average cost of $1.22. Hopefully if it loads up. I don't know why it's taking so long, but profit loss very small, $2.10 up on this. But this is purely for dividend income, around 5.5% yield it has. And another interesting thing about it is that it's 100% franked. So I'm just on Market Index at the moment here. This is also another excellent researching tool for Australian shares. So if you just scroll down a bit, you get to see the dividends it pays, and it's franking credit, so its gross is there. And here's also just some general information with charts of dividend income. Alright, now looking at my next investment, Endeavour Group, ticker symbol EDV. For those that may not know what Endeavour Group is, it's pretty much the big companies are Dan Murphy's and BWS. If you're from Australia, I feel like everyone knows where Dan Murphy's is, or have had it before. Great company, great fundamentals. They pay 2 dividends a year, one every 6 months. So their first dividend this year was $28.89, and it forecasts the next dividend to be $15.15. With this share, I have owned 202 shares of it, with an average cost of $4.95. For today, it was up $8.08, and total profit and loss for this is up $46.46, bringing my total value $1,046.36. Another great thing about Endeavour Group is that it's a more recent stock. It's only hasn't been on forever on the ASX, but it also has been doing a growth of it, increasing their dividends year on year. So as you can see, in 2021, 2022, 2023, they've been increasing their dividends, and again, it's very likely that they're going to be increasing their dividends with their final payment for this year. Again, the dividend yield is 4.21% with a gross yield of 6.01%, as it's 100% franked. Another share I have is Metcash, ticker symbol MTS. With this stock, I own 200 shares with an average cost of $3.72. For the day was up $2, and my total profit and loss is down $6, and my total holding is $738 with this share. For those of you who don't know what Metcash is, it's a pretty big company. Mitre 10, IGA, Campbell's, Total Tools, Home Timber and Hardware. So yeah, they're another excellent share. On their when looking at market index with Metcash, it's another great share that pays pretty constant and reliable dividends. As you can scroll down, you can see that they're not too bad. Unfortunately, they had a dividend cut this year, but hopefully for future years they will likely increase it. I also just forgot to mention, so it's 5.3% dividend yield, and they're actually going ex-dividend tomorrow, which is great. And they're going to be paying out $17, which is pretty good. Moving on to my last company stock is Australian Foundation Investment Company. So I hold 100 shares in this at an average price of $7.20. Today we're up $5, and total profit and loss is up $10.01. And my total holding in this is $730. Dividend yield on this is slightly lower than my others, which is 3.52%. This is another company that they pay their dividends twice a year, and shortly I'll just jump onto market index and show you the history of its dividend payments. But just quickly as well, if people don't know this or they already are aware of it, but the ASX, Australian Securities, is known for, its companies paying much higher dividends compared to the rest of the world, which I think is a great benefit to us. And another benefit that we have here is franking credits. So if you're not too familiar with those, I'm happy to go into detail about them in the next video. So yeah, just looking here on market index, just down here, they pay a very consistent and dividend with slightly increasing year on year, which is fantastic. And yeah, it's just a good solid company that I'm going to be holding for the long term. I also just wanted to touch on that I am not a financial advisor, and all of these videos that I make are just purely for entertainment purposes only. Just to touch on, investing involves lots of risk as well, and I'm only just sharing my opinion, and there is no guarantee of any gains or losses on these investments. Again, thank you for this watching my first ever video, and looking forward to making more videos in the future. Again, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.